Hey, stay tuned to see how I made this gorgeous flock mirror DIY above my bed. Things you would need for the DIY project: a ruler, ring hangers, jewels, tacky glue, and plates from Hobby Lobby, and of course, the board. I have a small board and also have a big board. Those are the things you're going to need to complete this DIY. So, you're going to place the big board down, and then also you are going to place the little board on top. You're going to glue it on there. Is to screw the ring hangers on the back. As you can see, I did that. So now you're going to place the plates on there, and you're going to put it into the design or style that you want. So I'm going to go with this style. So now I'm going to glue the plates on the cardboard, or should I say foam board. So you're going to take your glue and you're going to put it on the back. Make sure you put enough. You don't have to put a lot, but just make sure you put enough to where it stays. And then you're going to carefully place down in the position you want. Make sure it's straight. And then you go do all of them like that. So now, once you glue everything on, you're gonna have something like this. So now it's time to glue the small plates on the bigger plates. But since I want to decorate my small plates, I took my little gems and I placed one in the middle so it can look like this. And I'm gonna do all the small ones the same way and then glue them on. So for this one, as you can see, I laid all of them out the way I want it. It's kind of a little heavy, so I'm going to take my E6000 and just place it in the middle and place it on. Oh, a little messy, And place it how I want to. Get up so you guys can see it. And place it down. Kind of press it as hard as you can, but not too hard. And there you go. And I'm gonna do the rest the same. So here's the end result. I'm gonna let it dry for maybe overnight, possibly a day, and I'll hang it on the wall and I will show you how it looks. So here's the finished look of the DIY project. Looks amazing above my bed. I love it. It goes really good with my room.